Okay, this is the last video on RSA example how to use a block picture when the sender is Alice with an A and the receiver Bob with a B. So actually, the purpose is for Alice to get authenticated to Bob so that Bob knows that Alice is really the sender of the message and have a signature. So the starting point is the signature of Alice, and actually, what Bob will receive is the authentication signature from Alice to Bob. And as in the previous example, we can build actually the left to right way in order to calculate the authentication signature and the right to left way in order to check if the signature is okay. So here, as the values are still the same, we can associate each column to the corresponding value of n, because NA is the lowest one. So here, what's important to know for the key to be used on the left to right way is to compare who is a sender with respect to the value of n. Okay, so here Alice is the sender, so it's A. She uses the data available to her, so with NA, she will use her private key DA. At some moment, she will have to use a private key to get authenticated, okay? So this means that in the reverse way, the key to be used is EA. Then we're nearly over actually, because once DA has been used, as Alice is the sender for the second step, she will use data from B. And the data Alice knows from B is only the public data. So here she will have to use the public key of B, and the reverse way for Bob will be using his private key. Okay, so once this is done, it's over. So step one, compute SA to the power of DA modulo NA. Okay, so let's take the values. SA is 85, DA is 113, and A is 143. So the result here will be, for example, let's do the calculation, it's 50. So SA is 85, 85 to the power of 113 modulo 143 is 50. Then 50 to the power of EB, which is 107, modulo NB, which is 209, will give us an 8. Okay, so the signature from A to B would be 8. On the reverse way, Bob would take this value 8 to the power of dB modulo NB, which will get a 50, then 50 to the power of EA modulo NA will get an 85. So here, Bob can check that if he receives an 8 as an authentication signature, he will be able to go back to 85, which is the signature of Alice. Then he can say that, okay, only Alice is able to build this value for authentication. Okay, so if you have to train and make exercises about authentication, my advice is that you should get familiar with this block picture or apply the calculations as one in the previous videos. Okay, so hope you enjoy all those little videos and see you later.